What is up, guys? My name is Claris and welcome to my nail art channel. Now, I accidentally deleted the video of me actually unboxing these things, so instead I'm just going to show you in detail how much each thing costs, where I got it from, and the total of how much all this costs. I hope this will give you a good idea how much nail art supplies are out there if you're ever interested. But before we get into it, here's what you can expect to see from this channel in the future. Nail art tutorials, testing popular clickbait hacks, more hauls like this one, testing nail products, challenges, and overall lots of fun and creativity. If any of this sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos, which will be every Wednesday and Saturday. Look for them 2 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Alright guys, let's get into it. So this is this Simply Neat manicure mat. It's made out of silicone. It's really easy to clean off acetone. I've already used this. It's really helpful. There are these really neat create and contain circles that contain things. You can do nail art decals with these. And this was $10 on Amazon, so I think that was a pretty good deal, and I recommend it if you want to do nail art. So any good manicure needs a good base coat. I have two different kinds here. This one is a color bonding, long-lasting one. It's from Super Chic and it was $7.95. This is UNT's Prepare for Takeoff base coat. What's cool about it is that it is a peel-off base coat. So it applies just like a normal base coat, but then you can peel it off afterwards. This was $14.96 from Amazon. So those are my base coats. This is my rainbow of creme polishes. You can see all their prices up here and where I got them from. This is a clear nail polish. It's great for sticking on glitters and rhinestones like I did on these nails. Guys, this is one of Color Club's holographic nail polish collections. I got it off Amazon for $45.14. I think that's very reasonable. There is a great variety of colors in this collection, and they are opaque for me in 2 coats. I have 2 more holographic polishes to show you. This is Color Club's silver colored Harp On It polish. It was $9.99 on Amazon. And this is ILNP's red colored stopping traffic polish. This was on Amazon as well for $10. This is Essie's No Place Like Chrome metallic silver polish. It's super metallic-y and I got it off Amazon for $7.98. Moving on to the top coats, I have 4 different kinds here. This is a regular glossy top coat from Super Chic. This is Northern Lights holographic top coat and is great if you like to add some holo to your nails. This is Essie's Matte About You matte top coat, and this is Color Club's Lady Liberty shimmer polish. It's not actually a top coat, but it is great if you would like to add some shimmer to your manicure. Alright guys, we finished with the nail polishes. Now moving on to basic nail art essentials I think every nail artist should have. 100% acetone. This was $8.21 from Amazon. A must-have for removing your nail polish, unless you have a peel-off base coat. For removing your cuticles for a clean manicure, this is Sally Hansen's Instant Cuticle Remover. It was $5.55 on eBay. Next, a good file is a must-have. This is Bliss Kiss glass file in travel size. It was $10 on Amazon. I've already used it several times, but it looks brand new because you can easily brush the dust off of it. It also comes with this handy traveling case you can put it in to protect it. Next, I have this beautiful cleanup brush from Twinkle Tea. It was $7 and it has these really neat crystals in the handle to kind of even out the balance. I just like to dip this in acetone and run it alongside of my nail to clean up any messes. And you can put it back in the cat when you're done. These are wooden cuticle pushers, also known as orange sticks. This is a 50 pack. It was $1 from Amazon and it took 20 days to arrive. Now this is jojoba oil. For $13.97 you can get this 4-ounce bottle on Amazon. It's great for your cuticles health. Just dab a little right onto your cuticles and massage it in. The use of acetone can dry out your skin a lot, so this is great for restoring it as well. This is Pouine's Liquid Latex Peel Off Cuticle Guard. This is how it works. So you take the brush and you just paint around your finger wherever you want to protect it from the polish. And then after you put that on, you wait a couple minutes for it to dry. Then you can do your messy nail art like sponging on gradients or doing water marbles, whatever. And then when it's dry, it'll turn like this pinkish color, and you can just use the little stick it came with and just pick up one corner of it like this, and then you just peel it off like this. Oops, there we go. And it makes cleanup a lot easier. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, we reached the last part of my nail art haul. Now these are just supplies you can get to expand what you can do in the nail art world. Let's start with striping tape. This pack of 30 rolls of different colors was $3.99 on Amazon. It's very versatile, a good nail art tool. This is a set of nail art brushes from Twinkle Tea. It was $7 and it comes with 6 brushes and 1 dotting tool. Here are makeup sponges from Amazon. They're $5.73 for 32 of them. I use them to sponge on polished gradients. And this is nail glue. It's $5.10. It's for attaching fake nails, which I might be doing in the future because I want to make all my nails the same length. But it's also for attaching rhinestones and repairing broken nails. I got this glitter kit from Amazon for nail art. It was $6.99 and it comes with 24 different colors of glitter in these really cute little pots. I'm really excited to using this for glitter placements. I got some nail vinyls from Twinkle Tea. I have French tips, unicorns, and mermaids. Next, I have this rhinestone, accent, and glitter kit from Amazon. It was $7.99. It comes with 5 different wheels of different accents you can choose from, as well as these 2 rectangular containers right here. It also comes with a wax pencil to help pick up the rhinestones and a pair of tweezers. Lastly, I have these small cuticle scissors from eBay for $5.75 for whatever I need to use them for. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Before you go, here's a sneak peek into my next video. I'm going to be making DIY fake nails from a plastic bottle. That's going to be interesting because have you ever broken a nail and not want to cut them all down? So you can easily make one. I'm going to show you how in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you like this video, click the like button. If you didn't, click the dislike button and let me know how I can improve in the comments. This was my first YouTube video. If you'd like to see more of my content, do check out my Instagram, and I also have a Facebook group for you Facebook users. The links are in the description. Guys, the common question of the day is, have you ever spent this much money on nail art supplies in one go? Let me know in the comments. I'd be really curious to see. If you know anyone who would like to see this video, share it with them. And if you made it to the end, you're the best. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! This was $10 on Amazon. You can easily brush off the filing dust to make it look really clean after that. It also came with a travel case, now these are just supplies you can get to expand what you can do in the nail art world. If you know anyone who would like to see this video, share it with. What is up guys? Welcome to today's bonus episode. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. As you might have seen from the description, I'm going to share 5 personal tips that have helped me paint my nails better at home. Let's get started. Step number 1, make sure everything you need is in reach. Have your base coats, your top coats, your polishes, tools, cleanup supplies, everything in reach so you don't have to worry about getting up and going around and then you can accidentally knock your nails into something and ruin it. You don't want to do that. So make sure you have everything in reach before you sit down and that you also have a comfortable space to sit and some lighting. Step number 2, grab your phone if you don't already, but it is a great tool to help pass the time while you're waiting for the layers of each polish to dry. And that ties into step number 3. Use your phone's clock or timer app to time how long it takes for each layer to dry. It's important because you can use it for future reference to know, oh, for example, for me it takes 8 minutes for my top coat to dry. So next time I paint my nails, I'll be better prepared because I know it takes only 8 minutes for it to dry. Step number 4, paint one hand, let it completely dry, top coat and all, and then paint the other hand. Don't try painting both hands at once because then it's basically impossible to do anything like open up nail polish bottles or open up a drawer. So to wait for one hand to completely dry, you can do one hand one day and the other hand the next day like I did these, and that worked out really well. Step number 5. Wear a glove. So when you finish your one manicure and you're trying to paint the other one, you might be using acetone like a paper towel or brush or something to clean it, and then the acetone can actually bite into the finished manicure on this hand, as you can see from this finger. So in order to protect that from happening, wear a glove. It can be just like a simple disposable one like this one, or like a dishwashing glove, but any glove is great. This way the polish on your good hand is protected from using acetone to do the other hand. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I upload videos twice a week on Wednesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. In the meantime, you can check out my social medias. I have them in the description. Alright guys, see you later. Bye!